Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Pokémon Black and White error code 5211. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when players try to claim a mystery gift. It connects for a few seconds and then disconnects after around 5 to 10 seconds. According to our research, the error is likely caused because of Wi-Fi compatibility issues. Many players have shared that the connection fails on certain devices or networks, especially when using a regular DS. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to use an Android device to share the Wi-Fi. A few users mentioned that using an Android device to create a shared connection helped them bypass the error. Try this method and check if this resolves the error. If the error still comes, then consider using a 3DS instead of a regular DS. According to a few users, their 3DS was able to connect with standard Wi-Fi, unlike the DS which needed a different setup. At last, if the error still persists, then try using any other hotspot. Some users have shared that their DS did not work with their own hotspot, but worked when using a friend's hotspot. So if possible, try switching to a different hotspot and check if this helps with the error. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.